What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Experiment, and today we're going to be diving into using your cell phone for shooting video. Now, it doesn't matter what kind of cell phone you have, we're going to cover a couple of tools that we use if we use our cell phone for shooting stuff on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I spoke about this numerous times now about using your cell phone, just getting out there and doing it. I know there's a lot of hesitation with using your cell phone for movies or film other than short clips. Now, everybody's been known to use their cell phone from time to time for Instagram or for Facebook of their kid, of an animal, of nature. You're outside, you're just blasting away with your phone. But you can actually use and produce semi-quality, well, not even semi-quality, you can produce quality content on a budget, and we're going to talk about that today. Now, right now, this video is actually being shot with my iPhone X, and I have the audio plumbed into my Rode mic NTG2, which is right here. Let's put that back out of the screen here. So that's how I'm running it right now. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to show you guys how much potential you are missing, or the opportunities you're missing with just using your cell phones. Now, there are some simple things that you can do. Obviously, I spoke about this before about orientation. Now, if you're going to shoot a video for Facebook or for YouTube, obviously get the orientation right. Turn your phone sideways if your phone has that feature. Now, another thing that you have to consider up front that's extremely important is which camera are you going to use. On the iPhone X and on a lot of phones, Android included, they have two cameras, a forward-facing and a rear-facing. Now, generally speaking, the rear-facing camera works better. Now, for this video I'm shooting right here, I have this thing on the Mefoto tripod mount, and I'm going to link this and all the products you see today down below. So if you're interested in this, make sure and grab these. These are all fairly cost-effective ways to up your cell phone game. Now, it's mounted. I'm using the rear-facing camera. Why? Because the camera is a better camera. Now, obviously, if you're doing selfie stuff, just use the front forward-facing camera so you can see what you're doing or whatever. That's fine too. But for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to show you with it facing me here. Now, I am going to get outside and I'm going to show you, do a little bit of B-roll and do a little bit of this and that to just show you what you can do with your cell phone. I am going to be also, as you can see now, I am color grading this and I am adding some stuff to the audio just to make sure I can give you the best possible experience I can. Now, I haven't done this before, so I'm excited to do this because often I feel like I underutilize my cell phone, and I've been trying to get better at it so when I'm out doing things, I can get the most out of it. Now, let's dive over to, and I'll show you guys this when we get outside. Mics are a huge thing with cell phones. Now, most cell phones do a pretty good job picking up your voice, especially the newer cell phones. Now, they're built to record you. One thing that I would highly suggest if you're into shooting videos and you're doing a lot of dialogue is get a mic. Here's a simple example. This is a Lav Mic. So it's a lavalier mic. It's got a super long cord. As you can see right here, it's all wadded up. I just throw this in my bag, and then I have a connector. I can connect it to my GoPro. I can connect it to my cell phone. I've done both, and it works really well. Takes a little battery, and it'll clip right onto your shirt or your coat, and off to the races you go. Now, what that's going to do is, unlike here in this setting, to where I've got the mic right above me, and it's a fairly expensive microphone for what I'm doing, obviously for cell phone, but is this, you can get these, and again, I'll put links to these down below, anywhere from $20 to $100, depending on how and what you want. Now, another option that I'll show you guys is the Rode Mic Me, which is a great option as well, which is just a external mount mic, and I'll show you some additional things. Now, why is that important? It's absolutely imperative to your video if you're doing dialogue to be able to pick it up crystal clear. Now, if you're outside, there's no way to block wind with your cell phone. Unless obviously you're in a building, you're blocking it with a wall or a door or something of that nature. But more often than not, when you're outside, especially if you're shooting some mountains or you're shooting some family stuff or whatever it may be, you're not going to be able to get the best audio. That's why you want to go to a lav mic or an external mic. If you have an external mic, you can get what's called a Deadcat, and I'll show you what that looks like and how that works. Now, aside from orientation and microphones, there's some obvious stuff. So the mount that I have the cell phone on now, I use my Joby, this tripod right here, to hold my cell phone. Not only to hold it, but I also use it because I'll be bringing this with, and I'll have that going. And then what I'll do is I'll mount on it, and then bam, now I have it on here so I can get it further away from me to shoot what I'm talking about. And if you have that lav mic, you got plenty of length between you and it. Also, a really nice thing with using these is you can get better B-roll. So once it's on there nice and tight, you have more control. Instead of just trying to hold your cell phone, you can hold it two-handed and go real slow, so forth and so on. So enough talking, let's dive into this. Let's take a look at some B-roll and some other stuff we're shooting with this. Alright guys, so we are in a pretty busy area, and that's the reason I chose this, because we've got traffic behind us, I've got airplanes going over. It's not really windy, there's a slight wind here, and so now below right here is where that VideoMic Me hooked. It does have a headphone adapter if you want to listen to your audio. Now, one other thing, like I said with the lav mic, I could very easily plug this in, and we'll be doing, again, real testing on all these products under the review video. I just want to kind of open your guys' eyes up just a little bit and show you, start using your cell phone. I can't say it enough. Start using your cell phone to capture those things. Just be mindful. Your cell phone has a great camera and has a lot of really great features that you can use to make videos, not only just the 2-second of your kid sleeping or of your kid doing one thing, but you can not only make the videos, but there's enough software on these phones now to where you can just use the software on the phones. Now, we will be doing a future video just on that, but in this video, I wanted to demonstrate that you can use your cell phone, get some mics, get some stands. This is on a full-size Mefoto B-free tripod. Like I said earlier, let me grab this. With this camera, my Canon 80D, this mount hooks right to this. And then, like I said, I do hook it to this and then use it just like this. I'll also hook the Rode Mic Me to it and then just sit there and talk like what I use for the Martini Project vlog or for Wrenched Out Garage. Now, if you want examples of how we use this, those are two perfect examples of Martini Project and Wrenched Out Garage. Any which way, guys, hey, we appreciate you tuning in. I hope this video kind of opens you up just a little bit as far as using your cell phone for videos, no matter what the platform is. We're going to do more videos like this, so make sure hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's all right. Give it a thumbs down. Either way, drop us a comment. Let us know what you guys want to see and if you liked this content. Again, we've got more videos coming. We will be featuring every one of these products in a video on its own. all of the links for everything you saw here today and that I talked about is located down below. We are Amazon affiliates, so we do appreciate if you click that link, and we will see you guys in the next video.